Hi, my name's Stuart Salwin and I'm a criminal defense attorney, and if you've been arrested for a DUI in Phoenix, I'd like to talk to you now about the process you're going to be facing and how I can help you. There's a lot that starts happening once you get arrested for a DUI, and things start to move quickly, fast. Not only have you probably already received a court date to appear in the criminal court, but you've probably also received a form from the police telling you that your license will be suspended 15 days after your arrest. This is because DUIs move on two different tracks at the same time in Arizona. There's a criminal process where you're facing harsh punishments like mandatory jail time, and there's also an administrative process with MVD which threatens to take away your license. One of the first things that I often do when I start speaking with a new client is to first let them know that although things can seem overwhelming, there is rarely a situation where a DUI case is hopeless. There are a lot of defenses to DUI charges, and I've worked a lot in the Phoenix court system and have been able to get charges reduced or dismissed for my clients. Another thing that I'll do right away is to slow this process down to make it manageable for you. I represent clients in both their criminal as well as their administrative cases, their license suspension cases. And what I'll usually be able to do for you is file a motion with the Department of Transportation which puts a stop to the automatic license suspension. This lets us figure out what the evidence against you really is and to see what options you have to retain your license. I'm also usually able to file a motion with the criminal court so that I can appear on your behalf for most of the court dates without you needing to attend yourself. This way, you can go about focusing on your life while knowing that I'm working on your criminal case to get the best possible outcome for you. I've been working in the Arizona criminal court system since I graduated law school back in 2009. I'm intimately familiar with the local judges and the prosecutors in both Phoenix Municipal Court as well as the other criminal courts in the greater Phoenix area. Before I was a defense attorney, I was also a DUI prosecutor and have worked on thousands of DUI cases. I know how prosecutors and judges think, and I use that experience to give you the best possible legal representation. I also think it's very important to have open communication with my clients. You shouldn't have to go through a paralegal or jump through multiple hoops if you want to speak to your attorney. And if you work with me, you get my email address and my cell phone number, and if you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to me, and I'll do my best to address them as quickly as possible. The criminal justice system can be a confusing place if this is your first experience with it. Now, I've lived my adult professional life in the criminal system, and my goal is to make sure that my clients understand exactly what is going on in their case just as well as I do. If you're considering hiring an experienced DUI attorney who knows the ins and the outs of the Phoenix City Court, give me a call now. I offer free consultations and I'll discuss your case with you to answer any questions that you have. I look forward to talking with you, and I'm looking forward to helping you get your life back on track.